move out, move out. Let's do it, Chuck.
Good job, Braden.
Good job, Chuck. Watch me, watch me, watch me. Jenny. That's Grace. Woodwind. That's me on the right, on the right.
Who's on the left?
Katie.
Oh,
Yeah.
I kind of assumed.
Yeah. Here we go.
At this time, please welcome to the field the largest marching band in America, performing weekly with over 800 members. The Allen Band is under the field direction of drum majors Jenny On, Natalie Bendixson, Haley Smith, and Haley Joe Shoemake. The Allen Independent School District proudly presents for your halftime entertainment the largest band in the land.
8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, platform close, 2, 3, 4, turn. 5 and 6.
Of the week are Kelly Davis and Ava Marshall. The calendar officers for the 2019 season are Lily Smith, Jenna Smith, Hannah Butler, and Sasha Dunner. First Lieutenant Molly Alsap and Captain Caitlin Springgates. Please welcome the 2019 Calinettes as they perform to Come On, Feel the Noise.
Wait until the drums stop
The
tapping.
performance this evening is sponsored by Advocare. Color guard member of the week is Jessica Akpula. Color guard officers for the 2019 season are Natalie Craig, Kylie Risoso, Maddie Swaggart, and Maddie Thornberg. The color guard co-captain is Jordan Chisholm. The color guard captain is Grace Wazell.
Set 6.
And now, the Allen Eagle Escadrille is proud to present part 1 of their contest show, Back to Before. Part 1 features Once Upon a Time, Hands of Time, and At the Same Time. With music by Roger Seachy and Benjamin Braden.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, trombone cam.
Let's get this. It should be on the trombone. That'd be cool. Trombone King.
Trombone cam. Yeah, you're the
That's
trombone king.
no, that's a march arranged by Carl King. Isn't it by Fillmore or something? I hope it doesn't fall off when I like do that. All right, let's try this. This is kind of nerve-wracking.
I can't see anything.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Platform close. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Set 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hey, Kaylee! Haley Joe! Haley Joe! Say hey, Kevin. What's up? How's it feel? It's heavy. Awesome.
The director of band is Dr. Philip Avato.
Pretty good. I didn't think we did. We did well. Emily, say hey to the vlog.
Tony Daniels, Jeremy Rohr, Clay Singletary, Scott Blankenship, and Alex Pacheski. Director of percussion is Miles Locke. Performing arts secretary
we did well.
Susan
Like a lot better than last week.